Juan took down a Ferrari that was close to being scrapped. This decision left me regretting it many times along the way. The supercar in many people's minds is like this. But in reality, I bought a ragged scrap car for $500,000. It looked horrible. It's like a junkyard truck. We successfully shipped it back to the repair shop and removed a series of damaged parts. We inspected the damaged parts by sorting and collecting. A question that broke me came at me. If all are replaced with new parts from the original factory, according to the standard maintenance method, this Ferrari cost millions to repair. Even with dismantling parts, the price is still very high. So we decided to do a really safe and cost-effective way of putting a decent face on the Ferrari. The team behind Lao Jiao decided to do the whole process by hand, which saves money and is safe. There are all kinds of problems that we face in the maintenance process: the thorough inspection of the vehicle, the assessment of the degree of damage, the overall repair of the body, the adjustment of the chassis, and the work of sheet metal painting. Will this Ferrari step on lightning? Is the engine damaged? Has the car been adjusted? Please order a heart. Click on the attention and then look down first. I searched for the accessories I needed through various channels and selected better quality dismantling parts. The outer frame of the Ferrari was badly damaged, so we handed over the handmade table to Brother Chen, the god of the tendons. His body is made of aluminum alloy and the broken girder. It's about vehicle safety. This must be the original factory. Not that I don't want to find cheap accessories, but that the Ferrari 458 does not have accessories from the sub-factory. During the process, Brother Chen not only had to ensure that the plane of the leaf board was smooth, also ensure the strength and toughness after each measurement. Every hit has to be just right. Through professional techniques, the fineness of the hood and door was completed in the shortest possible time. Aluminum alloy welding to such a level is okay. Come and take a look. This not only reduces the cost and time constraints, it also avoids additional costs due to delays. The interior of the 458 is still very new and beautiful. The wear on the left is slightly worse than the wear on the right. Then based on experience, we can comprehensively judge his kilometers. But that's not what bothers me the most. It's the post-coconut version. The post-coconut version of the hit caused an increase in connection with him, also damaged. This is a Ferrari door. The brand new original parts cost tens of thousands. If you dismantle the car parts, it will cost 10,000 or 20,000. For Brother Chen, it is nothing more than a few working days plus 2 chicken thighs. This rear fender is brand new, and the original part costs 100,000 yuan, 20,000 more car parts. Finally, we decided to do it by hand. The cost of doing it by hand is about the same as the cost of taking a dismantling part. But we're still thinking about safety. After all, I have witnessed it with my own eyes, don't worry. The rear fender took days, and the gods would do a lot of beating on the blades. Approximate beating mold. And they grind it down. It's fast and steady. Then it is matched with a drying gun to correct the fender. It's a beautiful surface. Craft sucks, saves time. And to ensure the stability of quality, reduced some pressure on the painter. Then put the fenders on him. Small dents and details like these should be easier for him to identify one by one. How does a good sheet metal company identify it? Just let the painter scrape less putty. The very popular kind is non-greasy. It's not that you don't need to scrape putty, he just replaced the putty with thin. He who should shave putty shaves well. Pretty, add a chicken leg to Brother Chen. Your car has finally arrived, and the crucial step is to spray paint the whole car. This Master Chen is no ordinary Huetz. Is a top paint master? He has painted many supercars, including Ferrari Rafa, McLaren P. Due to the serious damage to the whole car, we decided to paint the whole car. Painting is a tough job. Whether the paint is done well or not depends on whether the foundation is smooth or not. You have to clean the body thoroughly before you get tired of shaving. Remove all dust and grease stains. We scrape the cover and rear bumper with putty respectively. Make preparations before painting. The function of the first layer of putty is to ensure the stability and smoothness of the body. The second layer of putty is to find dents and imperfections. The small trachoma in it should be pulled out one by one. I have to say it's an eye job. Over and over again. Most of these scratches and flaws can't be found until the 3-layer putty process. It's another day of tinkering. What are you doing? It's finally going to spray. Closed work should be done well. Don't think about the color naturally. Since it's a Ferrari, the most classic match for him is of course the noble red. I think he should have belonged to that touch of red. That's Ferrari red, right? According to the process, we'll spray him with 2 coats of primer. One coat of top coat, one coat of varnish. My master and I pushed them into the paint room. The function of the primer is to help the top coat stick more firmly. It also makes the color look even. Same with primers. Spray a layer of primer first, then look for trachoma to find defects. Then scraped with a special filler. Then smooth it out and look for trachoma and blemishes. The second coat of primer is to cover some small scratches and small trachoma. Play the role of partition. It has been sprayed once, painted. This is the second primer. Then spray another layer of Ferrari red. Spray another layer of varnish. The paint is over, as the primer on both sides is repeatedly smoothed out. Pull out trachoma, find scratches. Looking at Master Chin's serious work attitude, I have to add a chicken leg to him at night. After waiting for the primer to dry, the top coat can be sprayed. We bought the most authentic Ferrari red paint from foreigners. Although this paint is expensive, but Lao Chao thinks it is worth it. Now that he has decided to restore it, he must restore the mask he should have had. It is not easy to achieve a mirror effect. Gun pressure, injection distance, paint concentration, movement speed, crew shape, these factors must be well controlled. The mirror effect is for that gentleman. Spray less pitting into pieces and become matte. If you spray too much, there will be a hanging phenomenon. Painting is easy, but few can spray a mirror effect. The body paint has been sprayed, and the color saturation goes up all of a sudden. Waiting for the paint to dry, it can be polished to brighten up. Protect the red paint, make the colors brighter and more beautiful. This Ferrari red is really shiny. The 4.5-liter V8 naturally aspirated engine suffered no serious damage. It's just that some accessory parts have been deformed. So we took all of these accessories off, and we took all of the recent trachea off. One is for spray painting. The second is to check the condition of the engine through the recent trachea. When assembling the intake pipe, it is necessary to pay attention to cleaning and sealing work. To prevent the entry of dust, apply sealant. Lay out the gasket. Lay the foundation for closed work. Tighten the screw. Think assured. Prepare to install the intake tube of the engine. Take another look at his profile. Finally put on the recent habits completely. With the completion of a series of work, the 458 finally took shape. After a series of accessories are installed, finally, connect the computer through the endoscope to analyze the condition of the engine. Check to confirm that it is safe and correct. It was a really exciting time. I'm a little nervous now. Can it catch fire at one time? And it lived up to expectations. The engine started smoothly. Thinking back on these 3 months is really emotional. My masters and I deal with various parts and tools every day. Tired back pain. Many times we encounter difficulties and we think about giving up. But the thought of laughing 458, we gritted our teeth and persevered. The result of 3 months, the car was finally restored by me. Just to complete the supercar dream in my heart. And I can't wait. I'm going to drive him to the Bund for a lap. Today I drove a Ferrari to the Bund. Looking at the busy streets, bright lights, the beauty of the Bund is a perfect match for my Ferrari.